2631 in Aqua Tower in Quantum Residences, Taft Avenue, Pasay. So this is ready for occupancy. As you can see, ito po yung unit. The actual deliverables of studio with balcony. 26 square meter po siya. So for this particular unit, facing po siya ng amenity area. Then over to the right side is Manila Bay. So kitang-kita pa yung dagat. Hindi pa siya totally natatabunan ng reclamation. Over to the left, may view rin kayo ng Makati skyline. So this is the actual turnover of a studio unit with balcony in Quantum Residences. So yeah, very spacious, very nice, perfect for investment kasi malapit siya sa mga schools, offices, and transport terminal. So yeah, if papaupahan nyo, maraming possible tenants sa area. As you can see, digital lock set na rin yung kanyang doorknob. So yeah, for inquiries, just message me.